In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Rosemary font on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down, then access Display section. Now scroll down again, choose Font Size and Style, go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. After that, tap on this icon next to Rosemary one, or click on it and choose Install at the bottom. From here you can choose Apply right away or go back to Font Style Settings and click on Rosemary over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!